look, I'm quite proud of the players in terms of and how they compete today. The pitch it's a horrible pitch. It's bouncy, it's hard, it's difficult to play on, and there were so many duels in the game, so many long balls to deal with, and they did it so well for most of the game. Just one mistake on the first goal where the ball falls to them nicely, and then the second goal is clearly offside. So again, unlucky, but it's normal in this league. You don't get referees that can see simple things.
ដំបូងបំផុតគឺគាត់មានមកតាពីមែនទែនសម្រាប់ការបង្ហាញរបស់កូនក្រុមថ្ងៃនេះហើយទី2គឺគាត់និយាយពីទីលាននេះពិបាកលេងស្មៅរឹងហើយភាគច្រើនព្យាយាមលេងបាល់លើច្រើនមែនទែនព្រោះបើលេងបាល់ខ្លីវាពិបាកក្នុងទីលាននេះហើយបើយើងនិយាយថាគ្រាប់បាល់ទី1វិញអូខេយើងជាគ្រាប់បាល់សយមួយដែលយើងចូលទីខ្លួនឯងហើយបើនិយាយពីគ្រាប់បាល់ទី2គាត់គិតថាវាជាគ្រាប់បាល់ offside ហើយគាត់មើលទៅគិតថាវាជាគ្រាប់បាល់ offside ប៉ុន្តែបើយើងមិនអាចទៅនិយាយអីបានទេវាមកពីរឿងហ្នឹងដដែលហើយវាក៏ជាកំហុសរបស់យើងធ្វើប្រហែលរបស់យើងមកដែរដែលធ្វើឲ្យរឿងនេះកើតឡើងហើយនៅបកមកទៀតគឺកូនក្រុមថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគាត់ធ្វើបានល្អ
I don't know if it's so different. I think they set up the same way. They try to do the same things that we knew they would do. I just think the game was decided maybe in moments, and probably we can be a little bit better with the ball, especially first half in the lower build-up. We need to make better decisions to try and progress in the first phase. But no, I think obviously the two strikers helped them a lot. They push, they pull, they fight for everything. So very different to what they had before.
មែនតើពួកគេបានថែមកីឡាករនេះគឺជារឿងធម្មតានៅក្នុងបាល់ទាត់ហើយបើយើងមើលទៅបន្ទាប់ពីគាត់ថែមខ្សែប្រយុទ្ធដល់ទៅ2នាក់ឃើញថាពួកគាត់ខ្លាំងជាងមុនការប្រយុទ្ធរបស់ពួកគាត់ខ្លាំងមានការបច្ចេកទេសមានភាពប្រសើរជាងមុនបើប្រៀបធៀបទៅជាមួយនឹងការមិនទាន់ដែលចុះឈ្មោះកីឡាករ
Some things are more important in football. Obviously the situation in the country at the minute, there's a lot more important things happening in this game, but I think when you look around and you see everything, all the toys, everything, it's a beautiful thing, and I think it shines a really good and really realistic picture of how life in Cambodia is, how the people are, how much they support their country and they support their fellow people. And look, I myself am very grateful to the country. I've been here 4 years and it's been very good to me. So no, like look, you look around and it's amazing. It's really special.
សម្រាប់គាត់វាលើសពីបាល់ទាត់បរិយាកាសបែបនេះគឺវាល្អហើយវាល្អសម្រាប់ក្នុងប្រទេសជាតិយើងដែលកំពុងតែមានបញ្ហាបែបនេះគឺគាត់រីករាយមែនតើនៅក្នុងការឃើញរូបភាពបែបនេះហើយគាត់បានមកខ្មែរ4ឆ្នាំហើយគាត់យល់ថាប្រជាជនយើងប្រទេសយើងហ្នឹងគឺផ្ដោតក្តីស្រឡាញ់ឲ្យគ្នាបែបនេះ